How's it going, everybody? It's John Reinhardt here with Reinhardt Group LLC, and today we are checking out a solar eclipse with a drone. We are in the path of totality. We have a DJI Mavic 3 Classic here, so hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more fun drone footage here. But we had a beautiful day. April 8th, 2024 was the date, and I think the solar eclipse started right around 3 p.m. Is when it really affected us, and they said it was going to be so packed that there was not any spots available at the fairgrounds. Well, here we are at the fairgrounds. Looks like you could probably squeeze in there if you really wanted to, and I wish I could say it got more packed, but this is right at the beginning of the solar eclipse, and you can see it started to kind of turn gray here a little bit, and then gray is going to actually turn to dark. So you can see it getting more and more gray here, and it's just like, it's like almost waves. Like, it's so weird. It was very strange. And then you can see it really starting to get dark. And I feel like an idiot saying this, but I was actually pretty surprised with how dark it did get. This is the first solar eclipse that I've ever been, old enough to really experience and know what's going on. And you can see it's pitch black, 3 p.m., mid-afternoon. This is what it looks like in the path of totality during a solar eclipse. And then I had my GoPro on the ground right here too, just trying to catch, the lighting. This is about 15 minutes, sped up just a little bit, but I mean, yeah, from dark to complete light. And there you are. We're back to light, and we're out there cruising around. Check that out. There it was. Like I said, absolutely beautiful day here. Really loved it. Really happy I got to do this. Happy I got to do it with the drone here. This is John Reinhardt here with Reinhardt Group LLC. Hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any more drone footage, and I'll see you guys next time.